Hi, welcome to the Creators Compendium. I'm JD. Today we're going to look at how to create cartoon animation in CapCut, and the best thing is that it is absolutely free. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create an animated character, add audio and lip sync, and create movement using keyframes. Let's have a look at the
Hi
animation
there.
we are trying to
Welcome
create.
to Sunshine City. My name is Carl. I'll be your guide for the day. First, I'm going to take you to my favorite cafe. It's just down the road.
The first thing we want to do is create our main character. I'm using a text-to-image AI program called Leonardo AI. This is free to use, but there are plenty of other free options online also. I put in a prompt asking for a 2D cartoon character wearing a suit. I'll put the exact prompt in the description. I select the image I want and click download. The next thing you need to do is remove the mouth and replicate the image, but with the eyes closed. I will use Photoshop, but there is a program called Photopea available for free, which will let you do the same thing. In Photoshop, I use the spot healing tool to remove the mouth, but in Photopea, you should use the eraser tool. Save the image. Now create the image with the eyes shut. Use the brush tool and select the black color. Draw a dark line through the middle of the eyes. Using the colors from the skin around the eyes, paint over the eyes using the brush tool. Use the smudge tool to blend the colors. When you are happy, save the image under a different file name. To remove the background, go to a website called Photoroom. Do this for both images, eyes open and eyes shut. Download both images. Now we need to animate the mouth. Go to Adobe Express. It is free to sign up. Click on Animate Characters and scroll through to find the mouths. There are a few different options. I chose the one that is called Friendly. You need to change the background, but you can't select the transparent background. Instead, select Custom Color and change the background to green. We will remove the background later. Now you have an option to record your own voice or load a file. There are many options to record free voiceovers. I have pre-recorded a voiceover using 11 Labs. I just click Browse and select the file. You will see that the mouth is lip-synced to the audio.
Hi there. Welcome to Sunshine City. My name is Carl. I'll be your guide for the day. First, I'm going to take you to my favorite cafe. It's just down the road.
Click Download. Now we need to get the other images to create the scene. Go to a website called Vecteezy. Find the image you want to use for your background. You can filter the images to search only the free pictures. Select the background you want to use and click Download. Copy the attribution to put into your video description. You must attribute the image to the creator. For any moving images, select Video and search for the visuals you want. I'm going to select this man walking. Like before, click Download and copy the attribution. Back in CapCut, import all the media files. Drag the background onto the timeline. Now drag the image of your main character onto the timeline also. To make the character blink, we will alternate the two images with his eyes open, then closed, and then open again. Adjust the length so that the blinking seems natural. You can add a couple of blinks in quick succession if you want. Now add the mouth. To remove the background, select the Video tab and click on Chrome key. Select the green background. Now just scale and position the mouth. Finally, I am going to add the background images. Here I am adding a bird. I have already added the man walking, but the process is exactly the same as how I will animate the bird. Insert the image behind the main character and adjust the scale. Remove the background like you did with the mouth. Now position the bird where you want it at the beginning of the video. With the image selected, click on Keyframe. Now you can move your cursor along the timeline and change the position of the bird. Make sure you go to the end of the video and position the image where you want it to finish. You will notice that keyframes have been inserted on the timeline. Now when you play the video, the bird will move through the keyframes.
Hi there. Welcome to Sunshine City. My name is Carl. I'll be your guide for the day. First, I'm going to take you to my favorite cafe. It's just down the road.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.